You caught a fish? You have a fish, Dion?
Hey, kid.
Editor of the National Review Online.
Which?
And you know what? We're going to take a look at
Visual
this
here.
story.
Hello guys, look at him guys. He wants the duck. He doesn't leave the duck alone. That's your sister's duck. Oh, it's a rechargeable. Good morning everything. Good morning. Pasensya na, wearing the same thing from yesterday. So I told Tammy to open the plitty fish for the cats and put catnip in it because I want to see my kids play with the plitty fish. So let's see kung anong reaction ni Habsi Bag. Because right now, he doesn't even wanna leave. He doesn't wanna let go with the duck. Roxy's toy. What's wrong with baby? What's wrong with the baby? Look, kiss your brother. Kiss your brother. Your brother loves your toy. Your brother loves your toy. Yes. Yes, he does. Look, I cut Roxy's yung buhok niya dito, look. Konti na lang. At saka sa puwitan area. Right, Rox? Sa puwitan area. Habs! You like that toy? You like the toy? Did you put catnip in it?
No, well, they make this pretty difficult. This zipper doesn't go very far. Or maybe it's just like, maybe it's just stuck here.
It's stuck, huh? There's something under it. Pasensya na sa buhok ko kasi makalkag pa kasi kababangon ko lang. Oh guys, sabi pa ni Tammy, the flitty fish is ready. How you turn it on?
When we get near it.
Huh?
Probably when they get near it.
Put it up. No, where is the bug? Show it to him first.
He was here.
Let the dog.
Not for puppies.
I thought it will just keep making that.
It will.
It's not moving. My boy is not interested. And it's not moving, honey. Dimples would enjoy this one.
As a rule, likes giant toys more than
Yeah. You caught a fish? You have a fish, Dion? You have a fish. It's ready for frying. Where are you going? Where are you going? Huy.
Wanting everything.
He's busy with his phone, everything.
For this country to make it a better country in the future.
It's a big responsibility.
Shut off.
What do you think?
Always does.
He needs a new phone. His phone just keeps shutting off. He tried to log in something, but it's just dead. Died, guys. Died. Look, look. That's always a problem.
2 freaking minutes.
I can't wait for your phone to come home. To come here.
You and me both.
I can't wait. I can't wait. Ito, guys, hindi kumain. Doesn't eat since yesterday. You know why he doesn't eat? He wants some table food. He is okay. He doesn't have any problem. She is fine. She is just really spoiled. And she thinks she can have table food. And we let you starve. Okay? We give you your own food. Don't give me that sad look. Don't give me that sad look. We give her her own food. And she, look, she give me a sad look. Guys, look. Wait, don't give me a sad look. You don't eat your din-din. Go eat your din-din. Go eat your din-din, and then we give you bonesy if you eat your din-din. Yeah? She just want table food, guys. Every time we eat, she run over there and beg. But her own food... Roxy, eat your food. Hey, what's wrong with you? Are you sleepy or you just sad? Hi, guys. Good. Yeah, laban na naman tayo, guys. Laba-laba. Kasi bago ni Tami labhan ito lahat, tayo na yung maglaba. Siya na yung palaging naglalaba. Baka maisip niya. Ang tapul-tapula naman ng asawa ko eh. Kunin ko din yung ano sa bathroom. Kasi yung mga towel-towel, yung mga palagi nating ginagamit, kailangan lang natin itong ilagay. Tignan nga natin kasi yung binili ko ito kasi, di ba, iba yung ano, and then, pwede palang malagyan ito. So, let's see kung pareha ba. Pareha man yung design niya, pero tingnan natin yung paghahang ba, ibang ano. Sana naman. Hala. Okay. Same thing. Same siya.
Crazy cat.
Huh?
What are you making?
What making? I'm just gonna add it over there. It's nice to have two. So that's why I get this two. To add. Where you going, Lala? Nahihiya yun, guys. Hindi niya kanyan siya pag kumakanta o film, makukuha siya sa camera. Nahihiya. Nahihiya si Mr. Continue si Mr. Sanding it. Sanding. Okay. Sabi ko kay Tami, nakatingin siya sa akin. Sabi ko, I put lipstick on Han. Kasi, ang luluspad-luspad ko. Sabi ko, I look pale. I need lipstick, sabi ko. Itong beanbag ba, masarap maghiga-higa dito. Sa beanbag na to. And ito siya, hindi ko pa alam. Ay, wala pa akong panglagay na bulaklak. Hindi ko alam kung saan ko to ilagay or what. Mag-rearrange man ako dito, guys. Asan si Tami? Ay, hinahanap ko. Doon man siya sa labas kanina. Nawala. Hanapin natin si Mister. Nasa baba pala siya, guys.
No, I'm saying, but that's not it.
That's not the one you're looking?
No.
Somebody's working over there.
Hmm?
Somebody's working. Somebody's roof. Liam, oh. Tinatay ko ito, guys, kasi I'm going outside. Can you do it outside this way here?
What?
Can you do it out there? That I have company.
Well, why don't you wait until I go out before you start doing that?
What are you gonna do? Ito, you're gonna cool
Don't
down.
hear me now. Let's go.
Anyway, guys, tulungan ko lang si Tami maglagay ng protect sa wood. What are you trying to do? You have thing, you have that. Look at. Okay, let's see kung ano yung gagawin niya. Mag-start na daw siyang mag-ano, guys, something. How do you call that? Ang init pala dito sa labas, eh. Kailangan lang protektahan itong ano.
You gotta open a can with them.
What? Where? You can't open it? Kailangan namin protektahan itong porch. Kasi kapag wala siyang protekta, madaling malanta. And then, ang mahal pa naman mag-replace ngayon ng wood.
Let this dry. Then put a second coat and make sure it covers better, because the way it's covering looks like hell.
This is the thing. This is the before and this is the after. Oh, look at that. Is it dried? Well, you're steeping in it. Hopefully it's not gonna, you're not gonna transfer it to the, because dripping over there and you're steeping in it and you bring it inside the house. Yan si Tami nag-ano. Ba't nagtong camera ko no? Naobserbahan din ninyo guys, di ba? Nagbo-blur-blur. So yun, sabi pa ni Tami, yung buhok ko daw is parang nasa bukid. Yung nag-fall daw, yung mga bukid-bukid na nagkaano. Yung bundok daw dito. But anyway guys, so yun yung ginagawa ni Tami. Ang kalat ng kitchen ko ngayon kasi nag-ano siya, ito ginagamit niya doon pang sand sa ano. Anyway, so itong si Roxy hindi pa rin kumakain kahapon pa, si Misty din hindi pa rin kumakain. May ano tayo dyan, towel. Inano ko kasi pag ulan kasi dire-diretso sila dito, and then pag dire-diretso sila basa yung ano nila. So yun, din basa, kaya kailangan nilang pumahi dito, pahid-pahid, ganun. Mag-ano tayo ng pagkain para dinner. I think okay lang to. Itong buhok ko ba? Ito yung bangs ko guys, oh, tumaas na yung bangs ko. Tumaas na yung bangs natin. Yaon. Mag-ano lang ako, gagawa ako ng salad. Well, salad na nasa bag na. And ang plano namin ni Tami, yun yung kainin namin. He's so cute. Look at it, he's so cute. He tried to hide. Try to hide. What are you trying to do? Where's Roxy? Oh. Bakit amoy ano na ito? Ay, nako talaga, eh. Ay, okay pa. Okay pa, okay pa. Bilisan natin itong kain. Ito siya, guys. May ano naman siya, laman at cheese. At saka, gusto ko yung croutons. Uy, iwan ko kung bakit ayaw ni Tami yung croutons talaga. So, I'm going to mix the salad dressing, okay? And the cheese. Cheese, salad dressing. But you don't want croutons, right? I'll do it in mine, right? Yeah, it's still the salad. That one is not hard like the other one, I guess.
Well, these are supposed to be hard because they are stale bread.
They're not bad good. It's very cold.
You get 2 bags?
I don't like this bacon.
Why?
You like it?
Yeah.
I don't like it. So we're gonna feed the kids first before we eat because you know the deal, Roxy won't. Diet tayo guys, diet. I've been eating rice, Tammy been eating burger. Do we still have the spicy nuggets?
Yeah.
Ang ingay ngayon guys. Hindi ko alam guys, itong politics ngayon is worse na as in. Are you kidding me? They just found out that did people start voting. Okay, let me feed the kids because somebody is looking here, guys. I guess gutom na ito kasi look, nagtumitingin na. So cute. So cute.
Hi, little cutie bug.
So cute, baby. He's my baby. Enjoying here. He's a special boy, guys. He's a special boy. Special boy sleeping in our bed. He's special boy. Look. Look, he's special boy. Look. Look.
He said, Mama, just let me sleep. Why do you keep bugging me? Alright, I'm clicking this off.
Tignan nyo, ang cute ni cute ni Bongbong. Magbihis na sana ako. Sabi ko, magbihis na ako, be. At saka maghilamos. Sabi ko, pag open ko sa light, ito yung nakaano. He is very cute, guys. Ito siya baby ni Mama. Ang sarap, guys, ng may alaga. Di ba, bag? Ang sarap may alaga, babag. I love you. Naano ako ba, di ba sa Pilipinas ang daming pusa na latagaw, yung parang lakwat siyang pusa or yung pusa na walang nagmamay-ari. Di ba nakakaawa sila? Hindi talaga ako mahilig sa pusa. Anong nagkapusa ako, mafe-feel mo yung love nila. Naalala ko sa Pilipinas kapag magutom yung mga pusa. Di ba? Parang tayo guys din sila guys. Nagugutom, naghanap ng pagkain, sinasaktan pa sila, di ba? Paminsan nasagasaan pa. Dahil hindi nila alam. Tingnan nyo to. Hi, Papag. Hello guys. I'm going to end the vlog. We're gonna end the vlog. It's time to 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 end the vlog.
Not a discount brokers. These are top local agents that'll get you the
Alright
best
guys,
results.
it's time to end the vlog.
Bye guys.
I said good night guys first. Hey, kidding?
Contributing editor of the National Review Online.
Which?
And you know what? We're going to take a look at
Visual
this
here.
story first.
Didn't say it, didn't say it. Play back the tape.
Bye guys, good night. Thank you guys so
Bye,
much for
guys.
watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. There's nothing going on today. So yeah, we will see you tomorrow. Magano lang ako, maghilamos.